Hey guys, this is Mrs. Cummings. I am going to be going over the homework for multiplying, dividing integer word problems. This homework was assigned on October 18th. It is actually a pink worksheet that you were given in math. So I'm going to read you the questions and kind of help you identify some keywords or concepts that you'll need to know to solve the problems. So problem number 1. The stock market fell 60 points over a period of 4 days. What was the average change in the stock market each day? So it will be important to note that we're talking about the stock market falling 60 points over a period of 4 days. So it again will be very important to note that. And they want to know the average change. So when we're talking about average change, we're talking about how many points it's falling each day, or the average amount of points it's falling each day. So we do know that we have to divide in order to figure that out. It's going to be important for you to know that when it says it fell 60 points, that means it's going down. So you really have to think about what kind of number 60 would be. So you're going to figure that out, and you're dividing it up between 4 days. That should give you the answer. The second question says, Kane made 2 number cubes used in a game. The faces on each cube contain the numbers 1, -2, 3, 4, 5, and -4, 5, and -6. After Kane rolls the 2 cubes, he multiplies the 2 numbers. Give an example of 2 numbers that Kane could roll to get a positive product. Remember, a positive product would be the answer to a multiplication problem. So you're picking 2 numbers from this list, and you're multiplying them together, and you're seeing if it's going to give you a positive product or a positive number. Use your calculator if you need help with that. For B, it says give an example of 2 numbers that Kane could roll to get a negative product. So again, you're picking 2 numbers to multiply together, and you're seeing which 2 numbers would give you a negative product or a negative answer. Question number 3 says Mark's elevation decreases by 350 meters as he rides his bike down to the bottom of a hill. He did the ride in 5 equal stages. How much did Mark's elevation change during each stage? So we're talking about change, and normally when we're talking about change, we're talking about dividing. So if I draw a little picture here that kind of shows the hill, and I show my little guy on a bike. Here's the handlebars. There's the guy on the bike. And he's going to go down. And we have to break this up into 5 equal chunks. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the whole thing is going down, and it's going down 350. If we're going down, though, it's a negative number. So we have to take that negative 350 and divide it by 5. That will tell us how much he goes down in 5 equal sections. So remember, you have to show your work on your paper and then write the answer. Okay. Which expression, and this is question number 4, which expression could represent the following word problem? The temperature of a bottle of water dropped 4 degrees every hour. After 12 hours, what was the change in the water temperature? So every single hour, this is dropping 4 degrees, or the water is dropping 4 degrees. So you could sit here and you could add -4 12 times, or what else could you do? Which one of these makes sense? A, B, C, or D? Question number 5. Hugh is playing a game. He spins each spinner and then multiplies the numbers to find his product. Remember, the product is an answer to a multiplication problem. Give an example of 2 numbers Hugh could spin to get a positive product. So you're picking a number from spinner A, you're multiplying it by a number from spinner B, and for this first one, you need to get a positive product. For the second example, you're picking a number from spinner A and a number from spinner B, and you want to get a negative product. So you're writing your multiplication sentence on the line and you're writing the answer for those where it says product. That should give you some help for that assignment. Make sure you complete it, show all the work, and turn it in.